Okay, so this is a video going over the worksheets for Algebra 2. You've got a logarithmic worksheet, a logarithm worksheet. You're going to skip number 11. You're going to skip number 11. So I didn't cross it off on what I'm going to send you on the attachment I'm sending you with this on that you need to print out and work out. So skip number 11. On that one, there's also a back, so make sure you print out both sides. Make sure you print out 1 through 20. And then also I'm sending this worksheet, and it's just the front. It's not the back, it's just the front. So let me start with this one just to show you what we're going to do on this. It's a real easy worksheet. It's basically just isolating the x squared. So you got number 1, it's 7s squared equals 28. So you're going to divide by 7. So x squared is 4, and then x is plus or minus 2. Now notice on all of them, they have 2 different slots. So all of these have to have 2 answers. So make sure that you do what you're supposed to and have 2 answers. So here on number 1, you put plus 2 minus 2, okay? Then on number 4, you need to combine like terms first. So you've got a 2x squared and an x squared. Well, 2x squared plus x squared is 3x squared equals 3. So you divide that by 3. X squared is 1. So if x squared is 1, that means x is plus or minus 1. So you'll put a plus or minus 1. You'll put a plus 1 or a minus 1 right here for number 4, okay? But that's combining like terms. Let's see, number 7, you've got negative 220 equals 5 minus x squared. So I'd go ahead and subtract the 5 and have negative 225 equals negative x squared. Then change the signs or divide by negative 1. And then x is plus or minus 15. You have to show all of this work. All of this work, you have to show it. If you think you can fit it on here to where I can read it, remember you're having to email this to me. If you think you can fit it on there like I can read it, that's fine. But that's the kind of stuff you're going to have to do. Make sure you show every step you have to do. Like on this one, I'd subtract 10x squared from both sides. You'd have a negative 27 equals negative 3x squared, then divide by negative 3 on that one. So you've got all that kind of stuff to do, but just make sure you show all your work. And this is due, this worksheet is due, both of these worksheets are due Thursday, the 23rd. Both worksheets are due Thursday, the 23rd. Okay, now the other worksheet is the logarithm worksheet. And on this logarithm worksheet, what you're going to do is you're going to be changing bases. It tells you evaluate. All of them tell you to evaluate. The first one is log base 8, 5, 12. So if you can get these into the same base, then they'll cancel out and it'll leave whatever exponent. So 512, you can just see, pretty sure 512 is 8 times 8 times 8. Yeah, so 512 is 8 cubed. So you're going to take log base 8 and write this as 8 cubed. 512 turns into 8 cubed. So then log base 8, 8 cancels, and you're left with 3. And it's like it's x equals 3. They don't put an x there, but they will here in just a minute, and that's what you do. It's like you're finding x. Then on number 2, you want to evaluate ln of 7e to the 5th. We're supposed to round to the nearest 10th. So remember that 5 bumps in the front, and then it's ln 7 plus 5 ln e. Because you got to split this up. And 5 has to go on both of them, okay? So then ln e cancels to a 1, so 5 times 1 is 5, and then 5 ln 7. Then you're going to type that on your calculator. You're going to type 5 ln 7, close parentheses, plus 5. And then you're going to hit equals. And you're going to round it to the nearest 10th. So make sure you finish this one. I didn't finish it. I showed you how to put it on your calculator. Put it on your calculator, hit enter, and go from there. Okay? Then 3 is where you're doing 2 things. You've got 1 on the top and 1 on the bottom. So you're going to have a fraction left. So you want to write 512 as a base 2. So you just figure out if it's 8 cubed, then 8 is 2 cubed. If you think about it, if 512 is 8 cubed, well, we can replace 8 with 2 cubed. So that's 2 to the 9th. So then this would be log base 2, 2 to the 9th, and then log base 2, 2 cubed, because 8 is 2 cubed. So then log base 2, 2 cancels. Log base 2, 2 cancels. 9 over 3, so that's 3. And then 4 through 9 work like that, and 10 works like that. You're skipping 11. Then 12, the only difference between what we've just done in number 12 is that they put an X. That's the only difference. So you need to rewrite it. Log 5, this is 5 squared equals X. So log base 5, 5 cancels, X equals 2. That's how you do those. That's also how you do 13. 13 is log base 2, 16 equals X. So 16 is 2 to the 4th. So log base 2, 2 cancels, so 4 equals X. So it's the same as 3 through 10, okay? Then the last one I want to show you is number 14. Everything on the back works like stuff on the front that I've already shown you. You've got 1,000 equals 8x. 1,000 to the 8x equals 10,000. So then this is 10 to the 3 times 8x equals 10 to the 4th, because there's 4 zeros. See, we can rewrite 1,000 as 10 cubed, and we can rewrite 10,000 as 10 to the 4th. So then this is 24x equals 4, because the 10s cancel. If you've got the same base, they cancel. So you divide by 24, so x is 1/6. Let's see. Let me do one more of those. Let me do number 17. So I'm flipping on the back. I want to show you number 17 like that one. So it's 10,000 to the 2x equals 1,000. So 10,000 is 10 to the 4th times 2x equals 10 cubed, because 1,000 is 10 cubed. So that's 10 to the 8x equals 10 cubed, because I rewrite 10,000 as 10 to the 4th. It's already got a 2x there. So then 8x equals 3, divide by 8. So x is 3 over 8. So that's the way you do 17, okay? The rest of them, like I said, are just like ones I've shown you. Both of these are due Thursday the 23rd. Both worksheets that I'm sending you, I'll send them in an attachment. I send them in the same attachment, so make sure you print out the whole attachment. And they're due the 23rd, and I'll send you this link so you can see how to work them.